Greetings and introductions. Greetings and introductions. Hi there. How can I help you today? Hi there. How can I help you today? Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. May I introduce myself? I'm Sarah. May I introduce myself? I'm Sarah. It's nice to meet you, David. It's nice to meet you, David. Hello again, Mr. Jones. How are you doing? Hello again, Mr. Jones. How are you doing? Daily activities and routines. Daily activities and routines. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. After breakfast, I head to the gym for a workout. After breakfast, I head to the gym for a workout. On Wednesdays, I have a doctor's appointment at 3 p.m. On Wednesdays, I have a doctor's appointment at 3 p.m. I'm running a bit late today. Can we reschedule our meeting for tomorrow? I'm running a bit late today. Can we reschedule our meeting for tomorrow? I'm making pasta for dinner. Would you like some? I'm making pasta for dinner. Would you like some? Making requests and offers. Making requests and offers. Could you please pass the salt? Could you please pass the salt? I'd be happy to help you with that project. I'd be happy to help you with that project. Do you mind if I open the window? Do you mind if I open the window? May I borrow your pen for a moment? May I borrow your pen for a moment? Would you like me to pick up some groceries on the way home? Would you like me to pick up some groceries on the way home? Expressing opinions and feelings. Expressing opinions and feelings. I think this movie is fantastic. I think this movie is fantastic. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. Honestly, I'm not sure what to do. Honestly, I'm not sure what to do. That's a great idea. Let's do it. That's a great idea. Let's do it. I'm so sorry to hear about that. I'm so sorry to hear about that. Asking questions. Asking questions. What time is it? What time is it? Can you tell me how to get to the library? Can you tell me how to get to the library? Do you know where Sarah is? Do you know where Sarah is? Have you seen my keys anywhere? Have you seen my keys anywhere? When is the deadline for this assignment? When is the deadline for this assignment? Giving thanks and apologies. Giving thanks and apologies. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. I apologize for the inconvenience. I apologize for the inconvenience. Excuse me, could you please repeat that? Excuse me, could you please repeat that? I'm terribly sorry, I was mistaken. I'm terribly sorry, I was mistaken. No worries, happy to help. No worries, happy to help. Describing and comparing. Describing and comparing. The weather is beautiful today. The weather is beautiful today. This coffee is too strong for me. This coffee is too strong for me. The red jacket looks better on you than the blue one. The red jacket looks better on you than the blue one. This book is more interesting than the last one I read. This book is more interesting than the last one I read. The movie was quite disappointing. The movie was quite disappointing. Giving directions and instructions. Giving directions and instructions. Go straight down this street and turn left at the corner. Go straight down this street and turn left at the corner. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Please be careful when crossing the street. Please be careful when crossing the street. You can find it on the top shelf, on the right side. You can find it on the top shelf, on the right side. Don't hesitate to ask if you need any further clarification. Don't hesitate to ask if you need any further clarification. Talking about the future and past. Talking about the future and past. I'm going to visit my family for the holidays. I'm going to visit my family for the holidays. We had a wonderful time at the concert last night. We had a wonderful time at the concert last night. I'll be finished with this task in about 10 minutes. I'll be finished with this task in about 10 minutes. Did you enjoy the movie we watched yesterday? Did you enjoy the movie we watched yesterday? I hope to see you again soon. I hope to see you again soon.